Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide completed tasks in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion and we have our task right here, and we have some tasks that is currently checked and some of it is unchecked right here. So I'm going to show you so that you will be only able to see the unchecked ones or the task or queue that is not done. So to do that, all you have to do is click on the three dots right here up the top right of your screen. This one right here, click on that. And from here, click on filter. And then from here, you want to click on checkbox because this is what you want to filter out if the checkbox is checked or not. So from here, you want to navigate here and click on the checkbox filter right here. And from here, you can click on unchecked. In this way, only the unchecked box will be shown to you. So once you check the unchecked boxes right here, it would immediately disappear, just like so. But if ever you want to view everything right here, including the unchecked and check, all you have to do is click on the clear one. Or if you only want to see the done task or the checked task, is click on check. And that is basically how easy it is to see only the unchecked box on your task list in Notion.